Top AI software tools for crypto users. You are watching an explanatory video by BullPerks. Are you ready to discover some of the best AI-powered investing software in 2023? Tool number 1. Trade Ideas, a beginner-friendly platform that helps users capture the latest trending stock and gives recommendations on investing. It also provides detailed charts, simulated trading, real-time alerts, stock news, and entry and exit suggestions, and the best data-driven solutions for your investments. Tool number 2. TrendSpider, a unique tool that brings tons of benefits to the table. A clear picture of the investment market with various charts, investing strategies, automation abilities, strategy tests, conduction without limitations, real-time and cloud-based alerts, trading bots to act more efficiently and avoid human errors, optimized chart visualization that combines price, volume, and sentiment. Free one-on-one training for beginners, 24-hour real agent customer service. Tool number 3. Signify. Simple to use and straightforward with data presentation. The software built an open trade platform for cryptocurrencies. Freely and easily connect to any of your preferred exchanges. For example, Binance, VCC Exchange, KuCoin, and BitMEX. Tool number 4. Q4. Q4 aims to manage the multi-party relationship among investors, companies, and investment banks. Moreover, it optimizes customer relationship management and streamlines the entire workflow of investor relations. Other benefits of the AI tool are: develops a better understanding of investment environment, generates a detailed and data-driven report on investing impacts, targets more precisely and predict more accurately, discovers potential investing opportunities. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more AI education from BullPerks.